Beginner, A1 level, English lesson, list of animals for your Mastery English YouTube channel. Simple, clear, and fun for learners. Repeat after me, if you can, please. Animals in English, A1 level. Farm animals. Farm animals. Farm animals. Cow. A cow gives milk. A cow gives milk. A cow gives milk. Sheep. A sheep gives wool. A sheep gives wool. A sheep gives wool. Goat. A goat has two horns. A goat has two horns. A goat has two horns. Horse. A horse is big and strong. A horse is big and strong. A horse is big and strong. Pig. A pig is pink and lives on a farm. A pig is pink and lives on a farm. A pig is pink and lives on a farm. Chicken. A chicken gives eggs. A chicken gives eggs. A chicken gives eggs. Duck. A duck swims in the water. A duck swims in the water. A duck swims in the water. Donkey. A donkey carries things. A donkey carries things. A donkey carries things. Pets. Animals at home. Pets. Animals at home. Pets. Animals at home. Dog. A dog is a good friend. A dog is a good friend. A dog is a good friend. Cat. A cat likes to sleep. A cat likes to sleep. A cat likes to sleep. Fish. A fish swims in water. A fish swims in water. A fish swims in water. Bird. A bird can fly in the sky. A bird can fly in the sky. A bird can fly in the sky. Rabbit. A rabbit eats carrots. A rabbit eats carrots. A rabbit eats carrots. Parrot. A parrot can talk. A parrot can talk. A parrot can talk. Wild animals. Wild animals. Wild animals. Lion. A lion is the king of the jungle. A lion is the king of the jungle. A lion is the king of the jungle. Tiger. A tiger has black stripes. A tiger has black stripes. A tiger has black stripes. elephant. An elephant is very big. An elephant is very big. An elephant is very big. Monkey. A monkey likes bananas. A monkey likes bananas. A monkey likes bananas. Zebra. A zebra is black and white. A zebra is black and white. A zebra is black and white. Giraffe. A giraffe has a long neck. A giraffe has a long neck. A giraffe has a long neck. Bear. A bear is big and strong. A bear is big and strong. A bear is big and strong. Crocodile. A crocodile lives in the river. A crocodile lives in the river. A crocodile lives in the river. Small animals and insects. Small animals and insects. Small animals and insects. Bee. A bee makes honey. A bee makes honey. A bee makes honey. Butterfly. A butterfly has colorful wings. A butterfly has colorful wings. A butterfly has colorful wings. Ant. An ant is small and strong. An ant is small and strong. An ant is small and strong. Spider. A spider has 8 legs. A spider has 8 legs. A spider has 8 legs. Frog. A frog jumps and lives near water. A frog jumps and lives near water. A frog jumps and lives near water. Example sentences. I have a dog and a cat. A dog and a cat. The cow lives on a farm. The cow lives on a farm. The lion is very strong. The lion is very strong. A bird can fly in the sky. A bird can fly in the sky. Thank you for listening. Practice English every day. Slow. Simple. Step by step. You will get better. See you in the next episode of Mastery English. Goodbye. Bye-bye with a smile.